Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock sci-fi video. Today with the Star Trek Enterprise, one of the most famous ships in the sci-fi universe. I think everyone knows the Star Trek franchise, and today's model is based on the newest version of this vessel from the Strange New World TV series. I just finished watching the third season of it. 3 seasons in like 1 week. I really liked the series. Sorry if you are a fan of the original series. My favorite one until now was here, the NX-01, and I really liked this model. As you can see, it's very detailed, very playable, but the Strange New World Enterprise is really good. I really like the new design. Also, the dimensions are different compared to the original series. It's 1.5 times larger, and these are in scale. So if you have my other model from Star Trek, these are perfectly in scale. Here you can also see a minifigure to have an idea about the real size of the ship, or the ships, because we have 2 of them today. Now, while this one is the complete mock that you can get at this moment, this other one is only a prototype. That's why the colors are a bit weird. Later I'll show you everything again on the program where we have the proper colors. Here is a prototype and I only needed to test everything, so the colors are not really important, and also some parts are not the correct ones, but I needed them only to balance everything and again to check everything worked. This model, just like the other one, is kinda playable. You can play with it. Here we have a little stand. This one is my universal stand, just slightly modified to fit the new model that can be connected here on the bottom. Again, sorry for the weird colors, but that's what I had with me to test. We have an axle connection. This one can be used for my universal stand or any other stand with an axle connection. And if you don't want to use the stand, this connection is not very good to see. So you can remove this tile, this 1x3 tile, and connect a 1x4 to cover the gap. So now it's much better. I think you can see it better from above. You can play with it just like the other one. Also, this one has a little stand. We don't have so many details, but what I wanted to show you here with the real model, with the prototype, this section that it's the most complex one I designed, and the main and mostly only real difference compared to the other Enterprise I designed that you can see here now on screen and in the right top corner, that it's based on the original series one. So it's smaller than this one, because also in the original series is 1.5 times smaller, as we said before. And if you notice similarities, it's because I simply took the original one I had and made it a little bit larger. This is a missile. You can find it in my aircraft ordnance collection. As you can see, the structure and technique is the same, and this is one of the coolest thing about MOCs. With bricks you can use the same techniques of a MOC for another one, even if the purpose is different. Here is a missile, here is an engine, but the structure is the same. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I think this is very cool. This one is 1:35 scale, while this one is 1:1500 scale. That I did it on purpose. That is the same scale adopted by the official Lego set, the UCS Star Destroyer. So if you are a fan of both franchises, just like me, I love both Star Wars and Star Trek, and you have the Star Destroyer, these are in scale. So you can have all my designs, Star Wars and Star Trek, at the same scale. Maybe this feature is not very important for most of you, but I think the few of you that loves both just like me will appreciate the effort to have everything at the same scale. With the prototype it's enough. That again, it's really playful, and I don't judge if you want to play with it, because it's really cool. It's really cool. And now, as I promised, on the program I'll show you everything, but very fastly, because we have already seen the photos before. Here we only have the proper colors, so the structure is exactly the same, but everything looks nicer with the proper colors. Another thing I can show you here on the program are all the 3 vessels I made until now together. This one is the Enterprise from the original series, that, as you can see, is smaller compared to the new one. Of course, also the design is slightly different, but the main features didn't change so much, so we have more or less the same structure for both the models. And for this video, that's it. I don't have anything else to show you. I hope you like Star Trek and this version of the Enterprise. I plan to do more ships. Maybe my most favorite is the Voyager TV series. So maybe we can make the Voyager. If you are a Star Trek fan, which one is your favorite ship of the franchise? Let me know in the comments, maybe it can be my next ship I design. As usual, remember to leave a thumbs up, to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Remember also to check the caption of the video where you can find many useful links such as the one to get the instructions to build this one and my other designs, a link to get the full kit with both instructions and parts so you don't need anything else, and the playlist with all my designs divided by categories so it's easier to find what you like most, and also a playlist with the free tutorials. And again, the video is finished. See you next time with a new project. Bye!